Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about what are the from the considerations of governance and compliance with actual methodology. So, data governance and compliance are two critical considerations. These educational institutions when using massive databases.
Number one, data start by classifying your data. Classifying your data into categories such as public, confidential, and sensitive. This helps in setting access controls and encryption policies accordingly. Number two, access control. Implement robust access controls to ensure that only authorized personnel can access sensitive data. Use role-based access control (RBAC) to grant permission based on job roles and responsibilities. Number three, data encryption. Data stored in both virtual data rooms and Google Cloud should be encrypted at rest and in transit. This helps to this helps protect data from unauthorized access or breaches. Number four, data redundancy. Consider the legal and regulatory requirements regarding where data can be stored. Some countries have strict rules about data redundancy, so ensure compliance with this regulation. Number five, data retention policies. Define data retention and disposal policies. In educational institution, there may be legal requirement to retain certain types of data for a specific period. Number six, audit trails. Maintain detailed audit logs of all activities within the VDR and Google Cloud. This helps in more monitoring who access what data and when, which is crucial for compliance and security. Number seven, user training awareness. Educate staff and user about data governance and compliance policies. Ensure they understand their roles and responsibilities in maintaining data security. Number eight, data portability. Understand how data can be exported from VDR or Google Cloud. Ensure you have the ability to receive and migrate data as needed, especially if you decided to change providers. Number 9, compliance with regulation. Number 10, vendor security and compliance. Access the security and compliance measures of VDR provides Google Cloud. Number 11, data backup and disaster recovery. Number 12, data ownership. Number 13, data privacy and impact assessment. Number 14, consist management. If your institution collects and process personal data, ensure that you have mechanism in place to obtain and manage consent as required by data protection regulation. Number 15, incident response plan. Number 16, regular audit. Number 17, legal counsel. Number 18, vendor contracts. Number 19, data minimization. And number 20, continuous improvement. So by addressing this consideration, educational institution can better protect sensitive data, maintain compliance with regulation, and ensure the security of data stored in virtual data room and cloud service like Google Cloud. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video.